Is he actually sleeping? I'm gonna try this. Son, I'm gonna check your history. What? What? Got you. Headshot. Now, let's check my other son. Son, I'm gonna check on your computer. Wait, no!